Scavengers see opportunity everywhere.
In the alleys where the junkies fall, scavengers answer the harvesting call. Kidneys, hearts, chrome and dyes, we sell it all, no compromise. The organization, just the grind, taking what we need, what we find. Your body's worth more in pieces sold. Scavengers turning flesh to gold. Cut it out, sell it quick. Your parts are profit. Scavengers trick. Harvest season, bodies drop. Harvest season, never stop. From the river docks to the black market stalls, scavengers, we take it all. Organs, cash, chrome, profit. Harvest season, scav deposit. Doesn't matter if you're dead or alive, scavengers gonna help you not survive. BD recording while we work the blade. Another body in the organ trade. No code, no honor, just the eddies flow. Scavengers operate on the down low. Back alley clinics, rusty tools. Desperate people, desperate rules.
How much for the liver?
Optics are still good. Ice the body.
This one's fresh.
Scavengers special. Everything must go.
NCPD don't care about the disappeared. Scavengers operate without fear. Street kids, junkies, nobody's missed. Another name on the victim list. We're bottom feeders, human trash, but we're survivors making cash. Every chrome implant, every organ hole. Scavengers got no moral soul. Rip it off, buy from us dirt cheap, while the city pretend to sleep. Necessary evil, that's what they say. Scavengers make the bodies pay. Harvest season, bodies drop. Harvest season, never stop. From the river docks to the black market stalls, scavengers, we take it all. Harvest season, flesh and chrome. Harvest season, nobody's going home. Your parts are worth more than your life. Scavengers, we bring the knife. Next customer. Fresh inventory. Scavengers never sleep. Your body, our payday.